Hey everyone, hope you had a wonderful CAT exam. As all of you might be eagerly awaiting your CAT results, Team Insite of IIM Kashipur is here with some tips and tricks to ace your CAT interview preparation, as it is better to start early.
We are all aware about the weightage of personal interview in your selection process. It tests your knowledge and personality traits. Therefore, it becomes extremely important to practice your answers multiple times and give numerous mock interviews.
Revise all the important concepts of your undergraduate subjects. Remember all the key formulas and theoretical aspects, as it shows that you have a serious inclination towards academics, which is also an imperative part of your MBA journey.
In case you have work experience, be thorough with all the important details of your work and the industry you work in. Keep your answers crisp and to the point. Also, prepare the questions which might be related to your interest areas. Try to mention them in the answers, as these will fetch you extra brownie points and add value to your interview.
Make sure you prepare all your questions beforehand. For this, write all your strengths and weaknesses in detail and invest a lot of time on questions like why MBA, what are your future plans, define yourself, etc. All these questions are basically centered around one common idea, which is how well you know yourself. So, try to invest a lot of time on every question so as to craft a comprehensive answer.
Try to relate your answers to any sort of subject knowledge you have, as it will have a positive image before the panelist that you are someone who has tried to understand the topic in depth.
In case you get stuck at any question or are unable to answer any question, do not worry, as one question unanswered won't disqualify you entirely. Listen to each and every question carefully and answer accordingly.
Do develop a habit of keeping yourself abreast with newspaper reading. Make sure you read the newspaper on the day of the interview. Also, keep a tab on all the important business news of past 1 year, as questions related to these are often asked.
And at last, remember to face the entire process with confidence and cheerful attitude. Focus on investing your time on the preparation rather than thinking about the result and the competition. Stay positive and keep on motivating yourself to reach your dream B school. IIM Kashipur wishes you all the very best for your journey ahead.